overclock and Raspberry Pi 4 up to 2 GHz. So Raspberry Pi 4 is clocked at 1.5 GHz. So today we are going to overclock up to 2 GHz. So here I am running Raspberry Pi OS, which is also known as Raspbian, and we are going to use the simplest way to overclock. We are going to use an application called Commander Pi. So we are going to use that to overclock our Raspberry Pi 4. So it is a GUI method of overclocking. So it is very simple. You don't need to change anything in the config file, etc. So it is so simple. And if you are using Twister OS, this app Controller Pi, Commander Pi is pre-installed in the Twister OS, so you don't need to install it. But in Raspbian or Raspberry Pi OS, it is not pre-installed, so we have to install it. So first, for installing, go to the browser and go to this website. Every link will be in the description below. github.com/jack477/commanderpi. So he is a developer for this. Just scroll down. Do not clone or download. Just scroll down, and here you can see the download link. Just click it. It is in Google Drive link, so it will redirect to it, and just click this download button. And now at the bottom you can see it has successfully downloaded. Click this arrow and click show in folder. And now over here it is an zip file. So let's click extract here. Right click and give extract here. So here is a folder where it has extracted. So here you can see the Pi folder. So we have to just drag it and put it inside the Pi directory over here. So now inside, go to the Pi directory, and over here you can see the Commander Pi. Just double click and open the Commander Pi. Click F4 in your keyboard, or just go to tools and click open current folder in terminal. So here is the terminal, and type this command sudo chmod. So we have to give permission for this install.sh. So we have to give sudo chmod a plus x, and after that we have to give install.sh, the file which we want to give permission. So it needs permission to install, and just hit enter. So there will not be any replay command for this, and the permission will be given. And now just give the next command sudo space dot slash install dot sh. So we have to install this, the install.sh, and hit enter. And here you can see it is successfully installed. And just close the terminal, everything, and go to the desktop. So here you can see the Commander Pi icon over here. So we have successfully installed it. Open the Commander Pi and click execute in terminal. So now it will open the Commander Pi. So here you can see everything about your Raspberry Pi. And I forgot to mention that you need a heat sink to make this work. So overclocking means just pushing it to its limit. So it will heat too much. So you need a cooler. You can just apply and use a mini fan for Raspberry Pi. So even I am using something like that. And now with the fan it is running at normal 38 degrees Celsius. And now over here you can see the CPU details. So CPU max frequency is 1500 megahertz or 1.5 gigahertz. And also we are going to overclock the GPU up to 650 megahertz. And just click overclock. And over here you can see it is a simple GUI based method, and it will ask you CPU speed to overclock. Give 2000. So 2000 is 2000 megahertz means 2 gigahertz. So maximum is 2147, but it may crash too much. So we are just going to go with 2 gigahertz and click the set button. And the GPU frequency is 650 megahertz, and click set. And the voltage adjustment or over voltage, let's give 6 and click set. And now click apply and reboot and click yes. So now it will reboot and overclocking will be applied. So let's see. So if your computer crashes, or if you want to if you don't want to overclock and want to go to the normal thing, just hold shift while booting, and it will stop the overclocking, delete every overclocking settings. And yeah, now it has successfully rebooted. Now let's again open the Commander Pi and click execute in terminal. So the CPU max frequency is 2000 megahertz, 2 gigahertz. So it's so cool. And now we have overclocked our CPU. So now it will be so smoother and faster. So this is a very very easy method for overclocking. And the next thing you want to notice, if you again go to overclock and click set to default and reboot, it will just go back to its previous thing, the normal 1.5 gigahertz. So you can also do overclocking up to what 2.1 gigahertz, but that is not recommended. 2 gigahertz is fine. So if you have Twister OS, it is you don't need to follow the installation process. You can just open the Commander Pi and click the overclock and just follow the steps which we have done earlier. And that's it for today. Please do like, share and subscribe this video. Bye. Let's meet on another video.